The facility that we're developing is a solar manufacturing research and development facility, and is focused on developing processes for making large area solar cells. Right now, the very first aspect of the project was to take some of the materials that we've developed in the area of nanotechnology and take those and implement them into solar panels. So the very first area that we worked on was glass plate manufacturing, taking the manufacture of the nanoparticles and putting them down onto glass plates on areas of about a 1 centimeter squared, which faculty member and staff within the university can come and use, and also we've developed a lab such that the students can come and use the facilities as well, utilizing the materials that they are developing with their professors. Kind of an interesting project that one of the students undertook was, how do we start talking about taking these novel ideas and making devices that basically are building integratable photovoltaics. And so the student took the Conn Center logo and implemented that into a solar cell. And this is something that is decorative, but it also does collect charge and does allow an ample amount of light through it. So it could be somewhat of a stained glass window that also collects light.
Renewable energy is an interesting field to me because of the finite amount of fossil fuels and non-renewable forms of energy. With renewable energy, we're able to produce the same type of electricity that comes from non-renewable sources with sources that are forever renewable. Here I learn through experience instead of just learning from a book. I get to apply the knowledge that I've learned in classrooms to real-world applications and actual technology.
Another aspect of this lab is to take these manufacturing ideas that we've done for glass plate manufacturing, and let's start talking about how do we go to the continuous manufacturing. And one of the processes there will be roll-to-roll manufacturing. And now that we've acquired a lot of the equipment and trained a lot of the students in how to, in the glass plate manufacturing, we're now going to take those lessons learned and push them into a roll-to-roll facility. And a roll-to-roll basically allows us to take a roll of material such as a transparent polymer or a metal foil, and it comes in a roll. We unroll it, and then we apply we deposit the materials onto it, encapsulate it, and re-roll it back up. So now we can actually, instead of just making films that are 6 inches by 6 inches, we can make continuous rolls of film that can stretch hundreds of feet long.